We started off as a traditional kind of games maker. When we jumped into the interactive movie genre, what we found was, while a few people were making them worldwide, there wasn't really enough. And people who wanted to make them, there was barriers to entry. What we're kind of looking for from our particular aspect of the Media Cymru project is an evolution. We've been quite fortunate to be at the spearhead of a lot of these projects. There's loads we've worked on over the years, but the really biggest one that I would like to talk about is our interactive movie project. Whist, which is a writer's interactive scripting tool, which allows writers and directors from a non-traditional background to create games, all the way through to the pipeline of training and actually developing new writers, directors and producers through the Media Cymru project. The Media Cymru project has evolved. What we're trying to do, is created that pipeline of training of how to make interactive movies sustainably and regularly, really, and work with more different companies, different people. It's funny how you kind of can go years and years and years without bumping into your neighbours, and what Media Cymru's allowed us to do is bump into those neighbours, talk about what we're trying to do, what they're trying to do, finding those interesting collaborations between us, going, okay, how can we become world leading? So if we hadn't R&D'd how to get onto new platforms, how to get onto new projects, how to do stuff differently, we'd be left behind and we wouldn't have a business now. We just want to try and build up this industry, build up everything, and just do cool stuff that's recognised globally and put Wales on the map, not just for interactive movies, but just for everything else.